Welcome. In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you can't access your smartphone using your PIN code. Now please be aware that you're trying to enter in the PIN code that you set up for yourself, so that, basically your personal PIN code and not your SIM card PIN code, as these two are often mistaken for each other. Now if you are sure that you're trying to enter the right PIN code, the one that worked for you the last time, but it doesn't work this time, let's try to go into the safe mode so that we are sure that the phone isn't lagging, and also that it isn't affected by any third-party application. To do that, hold down the power key for a while until the power options appear on the phone. Then hold down the restart button and tap on the safe mode icon right here, and then wait until your phone is restarted. When your phone is restarted into the safe mode, you'll see a safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now try to enter your PIN code here, and if it works for you this time, then go to settings, then scroll down to biometrics and password, and click disable lock screen password, confirm by clicking disable, and then enter your PIN code. And after that, hold down the power key, select restart, confirm, and wait until your device is restarted into the normal mode. And if this didn't help, basically if you weren't able to access your device in the safe mode, then the other solution for you would be to try to contact Huawei customer support service and tell them about your issue, and in case you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they'll be able to let you regain access to your device without removing any data and any personal information from your smartphone. So go ahead and do this, but if you can't, then the only solution left is to perform a factory reset operation using recovery mode of your device. And if you don't know, or if you're not sure how to use the recovery mode of your device, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out the video on how to factory reset HUAWEI Nova 7 Pura 70 Pro. And for this video, that will be all. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.